let's go to Google and search Kage GitHub. We'll be downloading from GitHub link. So this is the first link. Go and click there, and after there, this is the link, and this is the script. This is the Kage. So here are the prerequisites which is required to run this script. So here are for the developer option. So here are a few screenshots of Kage which has been taken, and so to install there we have just click there. We will be installing the binaries. So this is the page from where we will be downloading the binary. Here are two binaries. One is for Windows and one is for Linux. As we are using Kali, we will be downloading the first one. As I have already downloaded, I will be not downloading it again. So let me go to that directory. So yeah, downloads and lister. Here is my Kage. I have already downloaded it and I have changed already its permission. So first of all, after fresh downloading, you should change the permission. 3h mode plus x Kage, and here I go. So it should see like that after changing the permission. And just to install it, it's simple. So just run this command and Kage should be running. Yeah, here you go.